Chris, thanks. 6:16 this morning. Private colleges, they're offering deeper discounts to attract kids to school.
And it's official. President Trump has ramped up the tariffs on China. Jane King live at the NASDAQ with our Friday morning business report. How are the markets reacting to this? I know sometimes
kind of like, I mean, all the action was earlier this week on the threat, and now that we see this all the time. Now that it's actually happened, we're kind of like, yeah. So I don't know. We'll get to that here in a second in more detail. But these high stakes trade war between the U.S. and China just got more high stakes. It was threatened, as promised. $250 billion worth of tariffs went up overnight. Now, they're not going to take effect for several weeks. In fact, shipments that left China before last week will not be affected. China has threatened to retaliate. Well, the biggest IPO, initial public offering since Facebook, happens today. Uber, the ride-hailing app, expected to begin selling shares at $45. So that would value the company at $75 billion. Now, that's a lot of money, but the price has actually gone down as the IPO got closer. And private colleges are offering record discounts as tuition rises. The Wall Street Journal says big grants for freshmen are helping students but hurting school budgets. Over the past decade, the average grant for a first-time freshman has increased to more than $20,000. That's about double what it was 10 years ago. And about 90% of freshmen do receive some grant aid from private colleges and universities in the current school year. Stocks paired losses, but nerves about China never very far away. The Dow closed down 139 points after tumbling more than 400. Right now, we're looking at an open 20 points lower. Live for the NASDAQ, I'm Jane King. Back to you. So I think we expected this to happen. You know, the tweet on Sunday was a surprise, and that's why we saw the market go so crazy. But now that, you know, pretty much what we expected happened, we're just kind of sitting and waiting, seeing what happens next.
Riding the wave wherever it goes, right?
Yeah. It's true, I guess.
Fair enough. We have no choice.
Along for the ride, yes.
Jane, thanks so much. Have a wonderful weekend.
Thanks.